Hey everybody, it's Lex from pdq.com. I'm going to show you how to silently deploy an executable, an exe install file using PDQ Deploy. First thing, I've got the exe file. I grabbed 7-zip. I know you can get it in the package library, but it's a great example of how to do this. We're going to build a new package. We're going to do an install step, and I'm going to grab that file right off my desktop. That's where I put it to make it easy. I wouldn't suggest you do that. There's a better place for it, your repository. Anywho, there it is. Now, as it sits, if I were to execute 7-zip and just run it the way it is, it's going to come up and ask questions. Where do you want it installed? Do you agree to the end user license, etc.? So I need to find what are called the silent parameters. Now to do that, all you got to do is hit the Google, little Google foo. So we'll pop up Google, silently install 7-zip. Hey, there you go. Check it out. Didn't have to type the whole thing. Frequently asked questions from 7zip.org. It's a great place to go to the vendor itself. Now, the thing you need to understand is, in this case, if you read through here, we're just going to scroll down through this. 7-zip archives, program files, blah, blah. Here it is. How can I install 7-zip in silent mode? Use the /S. I believe it is case sensitive. Now, those silent parameters, and let me show you where to put that real quick. You're going to put that on the parameters line right here, /S. Those silent parameters are vendor specific. So this /S is going to work here on 7-zip. It probably will not work on Firefox or any of the other executables you might be trying to deploy. So you're going to have to find them vendor specific. So, well, let's just name this 7-zip. I did grab the 64-bit version. We'll save it and let's deploy it to our machine here and make sure that that actually works. So we'll deploy once. We'll send it to Guinness. But you need to spell it right or choose targets from Active Directory and oh, there it was, Guinness. We'll grab it there, give it an OK. Hit deploy now. Again, typing is a plus. It makes things go a lot faster. I don't know why they keep me around. Oh, there it is. Successfully installed 7-zip. So we can check our step out. Deploy user, success 0. So once again, you need to look for those silent parameters at the vendor level for your installs. Thanks for watching. I'm Lex from pdq.com.